we're outside the Hawley and it's Apocalypstick tonight. There's 3 bands that are playing: Rebel Territory, Isaac's Aircraft and the October Game. Rebel Territory are the first bands that are playing. They're from up north. They're really sweet guys actually. They arrived early and all had some burgers, did their sound checks all on time. They're pretty loud and out there, but I know that this sort of audience should appreciate that, so it'll be good.
Never worrying about a thing. After Sean, let's see what it can bring. Don't ring and rose who's just for you. Your smile's what I wanna see.
October Game, and they've just recently been on Six Music, and Tom Robinson is a massive fan of theirs. Their soundtrack was brilliant. I'm really looking forward to seeing them actually.
So I'll make this my pledge to you, to get them back our days of youth, and we will ride on just like we used to do. You know, when we were invincible.
And then finally, to headline the night, it's going to be Isaac's Aircraft, who have played before, but when they were literally students, they were all at Sixth Form College together in Cambridge, and they're a great band. They've been together for years, and they've now moved over to London, and they're being like heavily pushed by the people that have also helped to make the likes of Coldplay and Keane and loads of other bands. So it's great. I think that they're going to be really, really big.
Town bought a coffee shop. She tells me everything you want to know. She tells me everything you did today, from the letter to the champagne. She is watching on your every move, from the capital to the little room. She is monster, she's satellite. She is everything we ought to die for.